Hello, my name's Lorenzo, and in this video I'll show you how to create an event that has different pricing options as well as an all-access option using EventSmart. So if you're interested in planning a course, workshop, or perhaps a camp, then this video is for you. So let's get started. What I'll do now is drop in some event details, and for this example event we'll be working on a terrarium gardening workshop that has an introductory class as well as an advanced class. And here are the dates, and then we have pricing. One thing that I want to mention here is with this registration for both workshops, what we're doing is we're saying if someone chooses this, they'll pay 85 bucks and that will grant them access to the existing workshop. So they'll get access to both the intro class as well as the advanced class. Okay? Alright, so we can add some details in. So let's say my terrarium workshop, and now let's work on the dates for this event. Okay, so there are two dates. So for the intro class it's on August 4th, and then we have the advanced class on the 11th. So let's use the selector and choose August 4th from 10:45, and we're going to have it wrap up around noon. So we'll move this back and then click on done. And what we can do here to save a little bit of time is to actually duplicate this. So I'll click on this duplicate button here, and now we can add in some details. So let's say this is the introduction to terrariums, and this is the advanced terrarium design. Okay, so what we've done is since we copied it, it saved us some having to choose some details, but we actually still need to update the second one. So it's currently set on the 4th, but this one will take place on the 11th, and then we'll click on done. So we've just set up those dates. Now let's work on those pricing options. Okay, so we have the intro class, which is 50 bucks, the advanced class, which is 50 bucks, or the all access, or the option that gets them access to both of these for 85. Okay, alright, so let's go ahead and set this up. So we'll say this is the registration for introductory workshop, and we want it to be available up until the day before. So let's say that that is the 3rd, and the price will be 50, and there isn't a limit, so we'll pull that. And what we can do to save a little bit of time is to actually duplicate this. So I'll duplicate this once and then one more time, because we actually have 3 pricing options. And then I'll say this is the registration for the advanced workshop, and then this third one is registration for both workshops. Okay, alright, so for the first one we have a pricing of 50, the second one is 50, and the last one, which is the all access, it will actually be 85. Okay, now what we need to do is check access that the pricing option gives to the individual dates. So let me show you what that looks like. I'm going to click on the gear icon here, and if you look, you can see that the introductory class has access to everything right now. So what we want to do is pull it from the advanced workshop, but leave it for the intro as well as the option for both. Okay, then we're going to do that one more time for the advanced. So again, I'm going to click on this gear icon, and then we're looking at the advanced, so we're going to keep advanced and keep the registration option for both, and then pull the intro. Okay, and from there what I'll do is I'll scroll up and then click on the save draft button, and then we can follow this link on the front end to take a look at what this looks like. So here is the event here. And again, what we have is we have the introductory class or workshop, then we have the advanced workshop, and then we also have an option that grants access to both. So for example, if someone was to select a registration for this one, they'll be enrolled in both the introductory or the advanced workshop. Okay, so that's a quick overview of how to create an event on EventSmart that has different pricing options, as well as an all-access option. Hope you found this helpful, and thanks for looking.